We're back again and we're going to try and get this van weatherproof by the end of today. Yes, we're going to be putting the windows back in it, front windscreen, 2 side windows and the back windscreen and the tailgate. I'm putting the old original windscreen back in it, which we managed to get out in one piece. God knows how, but we have anyway. And I've got 2 new windows for the side with openers. And I'm enlisting the help of the big guns today. Here he is. Hello. If you've ever watched the Riyadh on the Move travel channel, then you'll have seen this guy before. He's the 3 hours later guy.
3 hours later.
So he's going to be giving me a hand to get these windows in today, because otherwise if I had done it, it would just end up in 1,000 pieces on the floor. So this is one of my new side opening windows. Which one's this, left or right?
This is the left.
Left. This is the left hand side one, it's going in there, it's going to get bonded in. Here's the original windscreen. A new tailgate glass, because originally my tailgate didn't have a glass. It was just like a solid panel across there. However, I got a new tailgate with an open hole in it, ready for a glass to go in. So I've got this. It doesn't have a hole for the wiper motor. That's fine, because I don't really bother about one anyway. It'd be a to wire in. And another opener for the right hand side in here. Although before I do anything else, I need to do something about this. That dashboard is absolutely disgusting, and it needs a good clean before that window goes back in. So let's waste no time. And whilst I'm cleaning that dashboard, Fred's going to be priming the windows and also priming around the window apertures for the bond ready to go on. That's a lot better. I forgot what colour the dashboard was actually meant to be. Yeah, it's going to save me a job, try to get in there once the window's in. So that's ideal. Going on with the bond for the first window here on the left hand side. Better not put him off too much. The bond, James Bond's been applied. Let's get the window in. Tape heights of bond wires. That need them at the bottom. First window is in. Had to muck about in this bottom corner here just because that wasn't fitting too good, but we've managed to get it with a bit of duct tape. By the time the bond sets, take that off, that'll be fine. But as long as it stays there, it's a nice even gap the whole way down. So yeah, it's looking good already. The breakfast of champions. Oh no, look what the cat dragged in.
Oh yes, look who he's brought with him. The windows in and everything.
One of them in.
And window.
And window. What are you doing?
Coming in to get essentials for road trip journeys.
You mean tools in case you break down?
No, we've got Caitlin's car, no chance of that.
Where are you going like?
Where are we going? Leith.
Leith?
And then
sorry to hear that. Fred's just been having some Diet Cherry Coke for his breakfast.
Another 2 litre bottle.
The same 2 litre bottle, I think. John's going to Quad Mania.
Quad Mania!
Can't you put that in the video? You're gonna get cancelled. My 103 subscribers as of this morning will not be happy with that type of language. Well, probably the majority of them probably would be fine with it. Thanks. I'm cutting the last one out. I'm not running the risk of somebody being able to take the bleep off it. Right, well, enjoy Quad Mania.
I will enjoy Quad Mania. I'll message you from A&E as it's lying on top of me.
Well, what, you're going to be lying at A&E with the quad still on top of you?
Yeah, quad will be inside my side.
Inside your side?
Inside the inside. Good England, John. Oh, I can't go on YouTube, can it?
Try to get me cancelled.
Adios.
Goodbye. Enjoy Quad Mania.
I will.
See you Tuesday. You see you next Tuesday. Bye-bye. Right, Fred, what are we applying here?
This is damming tape.
And what's the damming tape for?
Well, it kind of fills the gap so you don't see the bond and makes it look nice.
Fantastic. Hides Mr. Bond, James Bond. 10 out of 10 for the dad jokes on today's episode. So here is an example of the damming tape in question. As you can see, you can't see, The bond.
James Bond.
But you can see the damming tape. So there they are. A day without something learned is a day wasted. Isn't that right?
That's what they say.
Fred says he starts shaking when he's put in the spot. Shaking like a dog.
Run out.
3 hours later. 3 hours later.
3 hours later indeed, and we're ready for the second window. You want me to get a hand in or? No. We're just getting in the way last time. If I helped, I'd probably just get in the way. Mr. President, a second window has hit the transporter. This video's gotta get us cancelled, like. Yeah, this one's a much better fit, thankfully. Looks good, the black and the blue ties together quite well. Got these little blocks in here as well, stop the window falling down whilst the bond sets.
We'll take them out later.
Take them out later? And just leave them till Monday?
Set.
Alright, how long does it normally take to set?
About an hour or two.
An hour or two, nice. Gotta give this a little clean before the primer goes on. Make sure it's dust free and a good surface for the bond to stick to. Think it'll look alright without any bang on edging in there? Yeah. Think it'll be fine?
Well, it looks like what the vans look like.
Yeah, I suppose.
I mean, unless you've got your carpet, there's no point in
Nah, I'm not got a carpet. Bonds on this one, no rest for the wicked, windy straight in. You want a hand mine in or? No. No. Got the tape at the ready. That's quite good, that one. I do think Mrs. Riyadh on the spanners were quite happy. All 3 windows aren't just sitting in the spare room anymore as well. So it's a win-win. On with the big monstrous front one next, which has to kind of dip inside here and then down. So it's going to be a joint venture, this one. What could possibly go wrong? Or as Mr. Clarkson would say,
how hard can it be?
famous last words. We'll give this a clean before firing it in, may as well make it easier for us. Bond is on for the windscreen. Let's get it in.
I'm not filming this bit, eh?
Oh, of course.
Wrong.
Eh?
It might go wrong.
Then that'll be good content.
Heavy. Yeah. Right? Right. Okay.
Here goes nothing.
Right, so. Straight down inside. Right. Just a bit there, go on then. Right.
I know far away.
Come far as you got to the edge.
10 mil.
Come to me
The
then.
bottom anyway, the top's a bit tighter. Oh sh**! I missed that one. Missed
Oh, you're alright. Stop, that's it.
So it needs to go.
Not across. Push it across. Lift your side up.
Up.
Right up now.
Right.
Right, we'll sort it on with some tape.
That wasn't too bad. Right, so the windscreen's in and it's starting to look good now. We do actually have a little bit of bond left, so I'm going to get the rear spoiler on as well, because we may as well whilst we're here. Here it is. We'll go for a dry fit now.
See, just go on this way. See if you hold the fingers on the back edge to the back edge of the tailgate. There, that's where it'll want to sit. It wants to be, I would say, like that, right? See my side there? Then look at that there. You get it about 10 mil off.
Right.
I know there's a gap, but it'll fill with bond. It's not a good there. No, I've not got a gap there now,
I'm
like.
about 10 mil there and off.
Well,
I've got a wee bit of a gap, but as you say, it'll fill with bond.
it'll
Should we
it'll
put
take in.
right? Should we put a bit of tape there to mark where it's?
You want a bit, I would be putting a bit of tape like there the side of each light, so we get the...
I'll put a bit there, so get that line. Where else you want it?
Just at the top of the light, where it's going to get the edge.
Right there.
Just so that I kind of know where I'm bonding, eh? So you're about 10 mil off right the way along, aren't you, at the back?
Same on the other side?
Just so that I know where to frame. Yep. Yeah, I'll push down.
Alright. Right, the plan of action for this is we're going to bond the spoiler and then stick it on the van, as opposed to bonding the van and sticking the spoiler on. I think that's probably going to be easier. We can use our markings where the tape is to work out where we need to be and hopefully get it in one shot. That is never coming off ever again, so we better get this right. Right, here goes nothing.
Are you a bit, no?
I'm a bit right.
Are you a wee bit? Right, tell you what. I'll see my primer there. I'll get it off there when it's got it totally sets. Maybe it's going to fucking in here. Is it?
Aye,
Yeah.
fair.
Yep.
Fair.
Well, what's the gap light along the back?
Is it not very tight on your side? That is the spoiler on, and that looks absolutely mint. That really finishes it off. That combined with the blackout window looks brilliant. Certainly looking a lot more like a van now. It's coming on leaps and bounds. And we've been lucky enough that we've actually got just a little bit more bond left. So I'm going to put the very front roof spoiler on next. This thing just follows on from the front of the pop top. Basically kind of sends the wind over the top of it so it doesn't create a wind noise against the actual pop top. So yeah, much the same. It's just going to be held on with some bond and these 3 blocks of wood and send it on. Right, so we just dry fitted it on and sat it on, and we've marked it this way and that way. So round about here, need like a big blob of primer there for the bond to stick to them blocks of wood. The middle is just the middle, and same with that side. Big stretch to the middle. So we're sorted. We'll get some bond in that and we'll fire it on. Surely you'll let me record this bit. Can't go wrong with that. Here goes nothing. Again. Right.
What's come to me slightly, if you up the level with the roof. Right. Is that a bit level there?
Yep. I think I can even tape it down.
Yeah.
Right, we just need to let all that bond set and we can get all the tape off. I'll take that off on Monday morning, I think, give it plenty of time to set. I know I say this every episode, but major progress has been made. Windows in, spoilers on, all of them. There's now a lot less panels and things in the back of the van as opposed to on the van. Soon I'll be able to get my, once that window's set, I'll get the scuttle trim and the windy wipers and everything back on. But it's looking good. You can actually start to see the light at the end of the tunnel now. The main thing for me is that rear boot spoiler. It just looks amazing, just finishes it right off. And the back window as well, the black against the blue. Looks great. Very, very happy with it. Thank you for your assistance, kind sir.
No problem.
Yes, very happy with that. So that is one more major job done on the transporter, and I'm just really thankful we had enough bond left to do both them spoilers, because I feel like that's really finishing it off. Looks brilliant. I can really start to see the light at the end of the tunnel now. I know I say every video, you know, that it's getting there and major progress has been made, but every single step I just feel like it's getting there. However, it is May the 23rd today, and I was hoping to get some use of it in the summer, which I'm a bit like, I'm a Probably not. But hey ho, we'll try our best. If no, we'll just fit a diesel heater and we'll go with camping in the winter, won't we? Gotta make do with what you've got. But aye, thank you very much for watching. Hope you enjoyed watching windows get fitted to a van, if that's your type of thing. Hit the like button, drop a comment down below, and subscribe if you want to keep seeing how that van keeps getting built and what we do next with it. Thanks again, I'll see you next one.